In this video, I want to show you how to get your calculator ready to use in Math 130. Now, you can see that the calculator I have here on the screen is a TI-84 Plus Silver Edition. But what I'm going to show here in the video would apply equally well to any of the models from the TI-83 or TI-84 series. Those are the ones that we recommend for the course because they're the best supported. If you look in the text, as an example, you can find key sequences for just about any of the problems you want to do in the text there. Now, the first thing I want to do is wipe the memory of the calculator. And if you're using your own calculator and you've never backed up the memory, or if it's not possible, or if you have something in there like a program you don't want to delete, you may want to skip this step. But if you're using a rented or a borrowed calculator, it's probably a very good call to do this. To clear the memory, you need to go to the Memory menu, and choice number 7 takes us to Reset, and we want to reset all of the RAM. So you press number 1, and then you press number 2 to affirm that, and the calculator tells you that the RAM has been cleared. Now, the next thing I want to do is restore all the defaults. Sometimes it happens, especially if you have a rented or a borrowed calculator, people may have accidentally deleted lists from the list menu that we need. So we'd like to have those back, and who knows what else they may have done. So anyway, to restore the defaults, you go back to the Memory menu, back to number 7, and this time you select number 2, and then press 2 again to affirm that, and it tells you that the defaults are set. Now, the lists that we use a lot for statistics are list 1 and list 2. You can see them right here. In order to see them on the calculator, you go to the Stat menu and press Edit there, and you can see the list there at the top. Should it happen that during the course you accidentally delete list 1 or some other list and you want to restore those, the best way to restore them is to go back to the Stat menu and use the Setup Editor, which is number 5, and when you run that command, that will restore any missing lists that you might have accidentally deleted. The last thing that I want to do on the calculator here is get it ready for Chapter 4. Chapter 4 is where we do regression, and there's a couple of coefficients that we want the calculator to give up automatically with every regression calculation. So to turn that on, I need to go to the catalog, and I'm going to scroll down to the commands that begin with D. I'm looking for diagnostic on. It's right there. You can see the little triangle right to the left of it. To run that command, you press Enter twice. And now your calculator is ready to use in Math 130.